Okay, just write down the name heading. The difference between save and save as. Difference between save and save as. So basically, save is used to save a change. When you do small, so for an example, when you do editing to existing document, you do save. මොන හරි දෙයක් තියෙන document එකක වෙනසක් කරා. ඒක අපි save කරනවා. Use save option to save that file. But if you want to, right, if it is a new file, or if you want to save this file as a new version or new file type, you use save as. So that is the basic difference. Again, අලුත්ම file එකක් නම් හරි නැත්නම් පරණ file එකක් අලුත් විදියට save කරගන්න ඕන නම් හරි. So we are using save as option. එතකොට තමයි save as එක පාවිච්චි වෙන්නේ. Please write down. If it is a new file, we use save as option automatically. If it is an already created document and need to amend the new updates, we use save option. If we need to save it as a new file format or a new document, we use save as option. So that is the difference. Okay, the next thing, next important thing is how to password protect a document. Please write down up to this subheading and let me know, then we can discuss that practically. I can give the chance to someone else. Tihan has already taken the chance, so let's give that chance to someone else. If someone interested to doing this practical, he or she can share the screen. He or she can share the screen. Finished writing?
No, sir. No, sir.
Quickly do this, and after that I'll give the chance. Since Tihan has already taken the chance, I like if someone else can take the chance. That someone else, Robinu, Genoli.
Well, it shows that share.
Okay, now I have given it back. Can use it. Right, okay. So just go to MS Word again, and this time others can follow, right? Others can also do. Others can also do, right? So let's type something, maybe your name. You can type your name or there. Just type your name.